Good morning, you beautiful people. This is day 3. I am currently in Hamden, Maine, close to the Canadian border. As you can see, the Canadian flag. Woke up a little bit later today because it was freezing. It was 28 degrees this morning when I woke up. I think it's the coldest so far over the past few days. I couldn't find a rest stop. A truck stop for the night, so I had to pull over. It's just a regular rest stop, and trucks are here, but it's not like a truck stop. There's no diner or anything like that. So we're gonna see what's inside the rest stop here and see if I can't freshen up before heading up to Cutler. Wasn't much of a restroom, wasn't much of a bathroom, more like a restroom. No showers, just stalls and sinks. Had to do with what I had. Worked out pretty well though, I might say. And so now I'm just gonna get a change of clothes and then go down the road and find some coffee and head over to Cutler. Let's do it. Cause you're my little lady, lady love. Because one thing I love about being on the road, I get to stop whenever I want and take in these sights. Look at this. Oh, I would love to just camp down there, right by the water. Oh, especially in the summer, just jump in, wake up in the morning and jump in the water. Oh my good Lord, that is the life. That is the life. Just cook breakfast, jump in the water, and then continue on, just walking down there into the forest, into the mountains. Found you fighting with as fast as lightning. All right, guys, so I just got to Cutler, and I just spoke to a couple of fishermen, not fishermen, lobster catchers. What do you call them? People who catch lobsters? maybe we'll catch lobsters. Unfortunately, fishing season isn't in yet, and it's slow. So most likely won't get a job on a fishing boat, but they do have a job in a town that I just passed right before I got to Cutler. So I'm gonna check that out later and see what kind of jobs they have for the next couple of days. In the meantime, though, I found this really awesome spot just off the road, right here, quiet, and look at the view. Look at this view. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the east is over here. Um, is it? So east is somewhere up there. So I might sleep here for the night and catch a beautiful sunrise. But this is pretty cool. I, well, except for those things, everything else is pretty. But it's nice and quiet, lots of space, and I could just really set up camp here for the night. So I'm gonna head down to Cutler, continue go downtown and check the town out, do a bit of work with editing, and yeah, and then head down to Machias and look for a job for the next couple of days. All right, I gotta remember this spot. This is really nice. All right, guys. So, I got a job. Working on a fishing boat. Not on it, but working on it. We're putting fiberglass on the boat, so we're building it up right there. And I'll see if I can take some videos and show you guys what that's like. I gotta pull over to like a drier spot on the road here. I don't know what I can, but it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna do that maybe over here. I just went up to the University of Maine in Machias, the Machias campus, and I took a shower. First shower in like 3 days, so that was great. I really needed it, especially working on that boat. I got sawdust everywhere on me. I'm headed back to this cute little spot that I showed you earlier, and I'm gonna camp there for the night, and probably gonna be at least until Monday or Tuesday morning that I'll be there, depending on whether or not I can work on Monday for an extra day, you know. All right, guys. I know it's dark, but I have to turn the light off because I'm on top of the hill. Any light, I'm just like a beacon to anybody to come here. But I really want to show you guys something, and I hope you can see it through this. The stars are out tonight. The sky is so clear. I wish I had like a full sunroof that went all the way to the back. I mean, sleeping under these stars, heaven. So hopefully you guys can see it. If not, I'm so sorry. Oh, you guys really can't see it. But you guys can see those. Those are the towers, the power towers, electrical towers. I'm assuming for the town, or maybe more than just a town. But oh, I wish you guys could see this. I so wish you could. I'm gonna post pictures up of what I took with my phone. Thank you, Google, for creating night mode. Your night mode is incredible. And also, astrophotography mode. Like, that is insane. But yeah, you guys can check it out in these pictures. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button right here in this corner. Really helps me out a lot. And if you want to join me on my next adventure, please hit that subscribe button, that little tiny notification bell, and you'll be the first one to know when I put a new video up. So until our next adventure, I'll see you all later. Bye!